y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're installing a braided wig from Outre. This was gifted from Hair So Fly as well. My last video that I posted, that was gifted from them, and you should definitely check out that video because that was a bomb wig. But this is the French Curl Box Braids in 32 inches. The color is DR4 Vanilla Latte. The French curls on this unit is literally perfection, and I know you see the color. It looks so bomb. There's an adjustable strap. Ooh. There's an adjustable strap on the inside, so you can wear this glueless if you want to. So excited! Before we glue the wig down, I just made sure to moisturize my hair with a leave-in and then slick my edges back and out of the way. I really love using edge booster instead of a holding spray because I feel like it's more gentle on my edges. I wasn't planning on doing a bald cap, but after I tried it on the first time, I was like, oh, I kind of need a bald cap. Oh, she is gorgeous. I don't know about y'all, but this is a beautiful color. They did such a good job on this lace. I mean, if this was a full lace, baby, ask about it. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I really want to pluck the front. They didn't leave no baby hair space for the front. There's really nothing in the front. I feel like I gotta do a bald cap. Like, you can't not. It's flat. Embarrassingly enough, I'm just getting into using tinted sprays for my wigs instead of using foundation. Definitely get why these were so hyped up when they first came out. Now, the only thing I didn't like is that you never really know what color you're supposed to get. And that gives me so much anxiety because it's just so much cheaper online. But if you buy the wrong color, it's not like you can return it. And I'm not about to buy 5 sprays just to see which color is mine, you know? I know y'all don't have the money for it and I surely don't. So, of course, we're using pink and shears on the lace because duh, what else is there to use? Do y'all see what I'm seeing? Because I know you lying. This lace that they put on this wig, they put their whole foot in it. There is no way a synthetic braided wig should look the way that this one does. Like, when I tell you I was flabbergasted, I said, oh my God. It's giving skin at the highest degree and it's synthetic. Like, are you serious? Of course, I decided to glue her down and I used my Erica J lace glue. I think it was either the watermelon or the sport one, but that's pretty much all I use nowadays. Not Eben, not Kiss, not none of them other ones, just Erica J all the time. I only use one layer because, of course, you don't need this wig on till it's Kingdom Come. And it stayed on for a little over a week. So if you do it right, you can make it last. For my edges, I use my bedhead holding spray and then I laid everything down with my elastic band. And then to make the parts even more defined, I used some foundation, directly on the part and then followed up with some mousse, a scarf, and my blow dryer to lay down any flyaways. Y'all, first and foremost, can we get into this beat? Because I tried Outre Baby. I tried her makeup routine. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Her right here. Try her makeup routine. Eats. I mean, I was doing a good, y'all know all I do is base. Elevated. We trying out new products. We're just doing the damn thing. Yeah. This mirror is dirty. Both my mirrors is dirty. Look at this. How am I supposed to see anything? It's ridiculous. Okay, yeah. Let's take these off and let's see what we're working with. I knew this was gonna eat, but I didn't know it was gonna eat like this. This is such a stunning wig. Good golly, Miss Molly. The only thing I hate is like this. Like, it's just bumped out a little bit. I wish it was just flat. But y'all, I love this hair. The only thing, and I hate to even say it, y'all. This thing is so fucking itchy. I didn't even really put her in my face because God, is itchy. But that's the only drawback. This hair is so nice. Like, I don't know what the closure looks like. I always think it looks good and then I look at the video and I'm like, oh, child. But she is down for the count, child. Even the baby hair is down for the count. I don't know what the back looks like. This is the sides. You could pull it back if you wanted to. the other side. I just feel like when you do it like this, you know when you can feel what you can see? I feel like you can see all that like extra fake hair that they put, because they don't really do like braids back there or on the side. But it's cute. Oh my god, even this, y'all, this is like scratching up my face. Oh my goodness. And I'm like, should I have done an apple cider vinegar rinse type of situation, or is it just like this hair? It might just be this hair, because I also, you know, like sometimes when you dip the ends, that kind of helps, because it's like the pieces are kind of like sticking out and scraggly and whatnot. I actually kind of like that they didn't give too much parting or too much hair in the front to like do edges and stuff like that, because I don't like super flamboyant edges. Like, that's not my thing, that's not my steez. Y'all know me and synthetic wigs and edges do not go along. We do not go together real bad. It's just bad. But I feel like she does not look too terrible. Now the sides are just like siding, but I feel like she doesn't look bad. Like, I'm so gassed. Like, this looks so good. I'm wearing this at night. I was supposed to install something else and I'm like, do I even want to? And I was like, oh, let me try a new color. I think this is the color that they have on the model. I got the vanilla latte, and the vanilla latte is vanilla latte-ing, okay? Hot, piping, and steamy. They have a chocolate caramel, which is on the, see it though, but it's chocolatey for real. But this vanilla, they have a burgundy, chocolate caramel, creamy cappuccino, and vanilla latte. The creamy cappuccino, I know it's gonna eat. It's like a chocolate, it's like a mix of the caramel chocolate and the vanilla latte, which is this. I know it's gonna eat. I want another one. I want all of these colors. Somebody tell Outre to give it all to me. Can you tell that I'm obsessed with this hair? Literally, I called my boyfriend and he was like, when did you braid your hair? Today. Today. He said, what? He said, are you African? First of all, you're doing too much. Y'all need to get this one. This one, they did their thing. I truly wish that they would just make like a half, like the frontal, like instead of just a frontal, just half of the wig, just box braids. Half of the wig, just the frontal, like a very big frontal, because this like braid thing that they do in the back, you can see it. These 10 braids not gonna cover all of it. And for the girls that know, they gonna be in your scalp like. But overall, in a nutshell, we love this wig. Look how cute this is. Come on, the curls, the color, it's giving. This is the back. Walk, don't run. This is it. I don't know how long this is. Let me stand up and see where it hits. All right, that is booty length. That is my butt right there. And truthfully, if you straighten it out, past my butt, really. That is amazing. First and foremost, I need to thank Hair So Fly for providing me with this wig, because it eats. It really eats, and I'm gonna leave the link to it down below. Hopefully they still have this color. If not, I'm sure you can find it at any of the beauty supply stores. But make sure you get your hair online, because the beauty supply stores be taxing, and you're just like, I just seen this on Hair So Fly for less than that. Please stop playing with me. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Let me know if you like this video by giving me a thumbs up and leaving some comments down below. Let me know if you want more videos like this. I feel like I am turning into synthetic girly, but I don't want to just be a synthetic girly. But the synthetic is just giving what it needs to give this year. I don't know what it is or what they put in the sauce this year, but the sauce is saucing. Delicious, okay? Would y'all try this hair? Cause like, y'all see the material. Y'all see the material. Like, why wouldn't you try this? Or what color would you try? Are we loving this? Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.